This is for Year 12 methods that comes out of the VCAT Northern Hemisphere Exam 2 for 2018 question 3D. So the boundaries of the curves over a particular domain are these. The boundaries do not intersect for a particular value range of A. Find the maximum value of P. So if I could find the value of A that make them intersect, then that will be my maximum value that P can approach but not equal. Okay, so what have I got? I've got A sine, so that's my amplitude, sine of x on 10 plus 15, so it's got a median of 15 and a period, and this has got the same period. So this is A squared sine of x on 10 plus 10. So I've got one that has at 10 and the other one is at 15. They're both sine curves. We've got the different medians and different. So this one here will, because that's positive and that's positive, that will go up and then come down, and that will go up and then come down. And this one here will have a different period. Since it's spanning from 10 to 15, A is going to have to be bigger than 1, because if A was 1, that would go to 16 and 14, and that would also go up to 10 and 9. So A is going to be bigger than 1, which means that this is going to be bigger, but since this goes down, the gap between here will get bigger and bigger because this will go down further. So my only chance that I can get these to touch is if this touches there and then goes down and then touches there again and then goes down. Okay, so that's going to be where the intersections are going to occur, which means that if this goes up A, then 15 plus A has to equal 10 plus I squared. Because for the intersection point to happen up here, then 10 plus A squared would get me there, and 15 plus A would get me there. Okay, so I've got x squared plus 10 equals x plus 15, solve for x. I get a negative answer and a positive answer. Since I'm over here in the positive, I'll take the positive answer, which is a half plus root 21 on 2. Now what I've gone and done is I've taken my two rules and I've made A equal those two values, and then I'll graph them and see whether they actually intersect. And I'll go edit, clear all, move this across. I need to go maybe 0 up to 100. I'll grab that one, drag and drop, grab that one. So I've got this one, drag and drop. And I've got that one, drag and drop. And if I do zoom auto, and they do intersect, they intersect at that point there. So there will be no intersection if A goes from 0 up to a half plus root 21 on 2, which means A goes from 0 to a half plus root 21 on 2, which means that P has to equal this. P equals a half plus root 21 on 2.